This is what is that in English? Norpa.
Norpa is a seal.
Seal.
This is lake seal.
This is near in our summer cottage.
Yes. In Saimaa.
In Saimaa. Saimaa Island in Finland.
And there are only
about
400 left in the world.
Left in the world. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, very nice.
Very big. They are big. Those can weigh about 100 kilos.
So guys, if you want to see in live in TV,
in internet,
just check out www.wwf.fi/Lon2Live Norpa Live. Norpa Live.
All put in internet Norpa
Live. Yeah. If you want to watch, please visit the website of Norpa Live.
Yes.
It's very nice. Yes. Oh.
Nobody come to scratch.
Look, it's very cute. So they
don't have hurry.
The water is frozen.
Yes. It's so cold still. Do you want toast?
Oh, nice. Itchy. There are two.
Yes.
There are two.
One is darker, one is...
So they are resting on the...
Yes. They have a day off.
Day off.
It is Sunday.
It is Mother's Day.
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day to all moms out there. Happy Mother's Day to my mother, to my sister, to my sister-in-laws.
May I toast?
To all my friends, Happy Mother's Day. Oh, so cute. So guys, visit Norpa Live. Bye guys, thank you for watching.